Hello, I'm Wendy, the technical staff for ITC Group. Now we are at Digital PA System Exhibition Area. ITC has been deeply involved in the broadcasting industry for 29 years, and has corresponding solutions for schools, buildings, parks, airports, emergency, rail transit, cultural tourism, etc. Now we are at Digital PA System Exhibition Area of campus. I will explain and demonstrate the campus digital PA system in detail. The campus digital PA system consists of servers, power amplifiers, decoding terminals, speakers, paging microphones, intercom terminals, and portable terminal equipment. It adopts full digital deployment to meet the needs of campus background music, paging, announcement, and help and alarm. These are wall-mounted active speakers that can be used in classrooms, paging microphones that can be used in teachers' offices and broadcasting stations, wireless handheld microphones and alarm terminals that can be used in playgrounds. Our deployment method in the training room is very flexible. The speaker above has built-in amplifier and decoding terminal. It only needs to deploy a main speaker and an auxiliary speaker. The speaker comes with a 2.4G module, so that teachers can use handheld microphones, headset microphones or lavalier microphones for local sound reinforcement when teaching. At the same time, passive speakers can also be deployed with terminals as required. The system has excellent performance, and each speaker can perfectly restore the human voice. The wireless microphone can be used with a button panel to directly broadcast tasks or temporarily adjust the speaking volume, which is more user-friendly. With the portable terminal, when the teacher sees that there are students doing dangerous activities, he can initiate speech in the area to stop the students. When students encounter bullying in school, they can click the intercom terminal with one key to ask the duty room for help. Different from the traditional broadcast system that needs to manage in the computer room, the ITC PA system can quickly initiate tasks directly through the background web terminal or mobile app, which is very convenient to operate. The integrated flat panel displays the broadcast background interface. In the background, we have 7 sections to manage, namely the home page, status, management, timing, configuration, audio, and system section. The content of each section is concise and clear, and you can click the corresponding section to operate quickly according to your needs. The first section is the workbench, with 12 modules, such as terminal status, session status, timed tasks, and so on, which are often used, and are convenient for users to operate with one key. The second one is the status section. Click on the session status to see tasks that are currently in progress in the system, and you can close or monitor the session task with one key. Click the terminal status to see the call code for paging and view the real-time status of each terminal. Green means online, yellow means busy, and gray means offline. In addition, you can also view electronic maps, online maps, today's task status and relay status. The third one is the management section, which can set the server, terminal, and account. You can edit the name, IP, call code, and volume of the terminal, and can also group terminals in the same area, which is convenient for staff to manage. In the role management interface, roles can be added. Each functional module represents a permission, which can be selected arbitrarily when adding. In the user management interface, roles can be assigned when adding user accounts, so as to achieve refined management of personnel. The fourth one is the timed section. In schools, corporate buildings and other places, we can always hear the background music playing at a specific time period. In fact, the staff has set up tasks in advance in this section. We can set up ringing tasks, timed tasks, and patrol tasks. In the timed task creation section, enter the task name, set the start date, start time, task volume and priority, and then select the music file and music playback mode, which can be arbitrarily selected from random play, list play, and loop play. Finally, select the play date and terminal. After clicking Save, the timed task is created. The fifth one is the configuration section, which can configure the shortcut keys of handheld microphone and paging microphone, the buttons of the intercom panel, and set the intercom strategy and alarm strategy. In the interface of adding intercom strategy, you can choose the transfer object and transfer mode, which can be flexibly set as no response transfer, busy transfer, and shutdown transfer according to the needs. The sixth one is the audio section. In the media library, you can create new folders, classify the uploaded music, and customize setting as private resource or public resource. The private resource folder is highly confidential and can only be seen by yourself. After uploading to the media library, you can select this music to play when creating a new task. In addition, you can also create studio tasks. The studio task is consistent with the remote tasks of the PC client and mobile app to achieve multi-terminal synchronization. The last one is the system section, which can perform registration management, log management, backup and recovery, priority configuration, system configuration, etc. In the system configuration interface, you can set the function switch. The function switch of each section can be turned on or off according to the actual application requirements, making the operation more user-friendly. This is the function introduction of system background. If there are other functional requirements, we can customize and develop. At the same time, you can initiate a broadcast task through the mobile app. Click the app and enter the account and password. In the terminal section, you can see the real-time status of the broadcast equipment. Click the corresponding area to quickly broadcast notification with one key. In the studio section, you can create a broadcast task and temporarily initiate a broadcast. The task will be synchronized to the background and shared to multiple terminals. In the broadcast section, you can select terminal devices to broadcast notifications, and the volume can also be flexibly adjusted. In the media library section, you can view the playlist uploading of the system background. We support custom functional interface design to fully meet various usage needs of users. This is all the function demonstration and application effect of 77 PA system. Thanks for your watching.